Gwaan everybody, I want to welcome you back to my channel. I go by the name of Terra Fashionable. So in this video today, I'm gonna be showing you how to do a quick and easy way to install a wig without baby hair. Yes, and you don't know, I'm coming with multiple looks as well, so let's jump right into it. I went ahead and bleached the knots, and right now I'm taking out the combs, only the one at the front though, and this is optional. And this is a 12-inch 13 by 6 sharp bob lace front. I always fit my wigs before applying anything to it. So I'm using the got to be glued hairspray, because remember we're working with a quick fix right here. So I'm pulling it down to cover my hairline so it don't peek through, and the blow dryer to speed up the process. Alright, so now I'm gonna part the hair in a zigzag motion to get rid of it, and this is optional too, right? Not because I do it means that this is the way you have to do it, but if you feel like the hair is down too much and you don't like it, just simply part it in small section and pull it out and create your own. Customizing the hairline, and this is consists of plucking, which you're gonna need a tweezer, and the purpose of plucking is to get rid of density so it can give you that natural hairline look. So yeah, me personally don't overpluck, because when bleaching the knots the hair tends to get fragile over a period of time and you will start losing the hair and seeing patches. So no, I'm not really here for it. Use something wet like a wipes to remove the white residue. Be careful when using a sharp tool, because you don't want to be cutting off your own edges. That is not a good look. Nuh-uh. Cutting off the excess lace, and I'm kind of doing a zigzag motion. So I'm almost finished with the installation, so no worry, we're finished up, man. So I'm going back in with the hairspray to fix whichever area that was slipped up and tying it down with 2 rapid strips. This is how I normally do it. I mean, I'm using 2 strips, so maybe it's a lot, but not to me. Just bring down the 2 side part and tie it to the front, and pull it to the back, and then make a knot around there, and you know, take out my ears. Voila. And there you have it. Now everything is intact. And if your lace is a different color from your skin tone, just use your foundation and blend it into your skin. Using the Nairobi foam lotion, and I'm rubbing it all into the edges. While doing it, I'm using a wand to get it flat. One and only argan oil, now leave that, my #1 go-to. Using a tail comb with a flat iron. Okay, she is here, and she is here to slay. Okay, now if you reach at this point of the video and you haven't already subscribed to my channel, like, hello, why not? When it's at the side part, Yes, and don't mind me being extra chill. But anyway, I'm back at it with the Nairobi foam lotion, and I will be like setting it using a silk scarf and tied it down so I don't have no flyaways or anything like that. Curling it up using a 1.5-inch curling iron. After curling it up, I'll be using a white tooth comb and slightly comb it out and tuck some of the hair behind my ears using a bobby pin to keep it in place. And another one. I like that, child. Okay, this is another look. You know, I'm all ear for my vintage type of hairstyle. If you know me, you're gonna say, yeah, I'm right up my alley right now. Watch that. Another one. But overall though, I think this one is my favorite. But comment down below and let me know which one you rather. Yes. No, we're not done yet. Even though this is the last look, but all you're gonna need is a round brush and roll it upwards to give it that flip. And there you have it. This is the last one. Yes, finally. But anyway guys, I hope you like this video, and all the products that I use will be listed in the info section. So later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.